That's a full value, I would say between 5 and 7 mile an hour wind. But we're mostly going to be looking at the vertical spread and velocities of weight sorting. So let's get to it. 100 yards. Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. Today we're going to shoot my CZ457 with SK Standard Plus. This stuff's been weight sorted. So we're going to shoot 5 different weights of ammo at 100 yards. And we'll do either 1 or 2 10-shot groups. I'm not too sure yet. We'll see how it works out. But so far I have 5 mags loaded with 5 different weights of SK Standard. And we're starting at 51.3 grains and working our way up to 51.7 grains. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'll load 10 rounds of regular out of the not sorted ammo, and we will get a baseline. And what I'll do too is I'll reset the 0 C1 Pro after every 10 shots, or if we do 2 10-shot groups, I'll do it after 20, and then we'll get the different SDs and ESs for all those different weight sortings. The last video I did like this, I just compared the 2 chronographs. I'll run both and we'll put the data up of both on the screen, but I'm only going to reset this one every 10 shots just to get our averages and stuff, just to see if there is an actual difference in weight sorting. And we have a decent breeze from my right to my left, around 5 to 7 miles an hour, and it's not too cold. It's decent, just over 10 degrees today, so not too bad. So first off, you got to unlock the trigger guard. The rifle is ready to fire. I find my first 5 shots and we'll dial up 1.8, and I'm just going to hold for dead center on the target, and we'll see what happens. It looks pretty calm down there now, but things can change. So holding dead center, see where we impact. A little high and a little bit left. That would be the wind, or a cold bore. No, I'd say that's the way she goes. Looking pretty good. I'll come down one, and we'll come left, or come right one, and we'll load up another 5, and then we'll reset the C1 Pro. So how do you guys like this new editing I've been doing? It takes a lot more time, but if you guys prefer this, I'll keep doing what I'm doing now. And if you like the old simple way, which I could get a lot more done quicker, let me know too. And anything I could add or take out, also would really like to hear that. All right, so our next 5 shots, same hold, same aim point. We dial down and right. We're pretty much point of aim, point of impact. Ooh. I don't know if that was a flyer with a lot of velocity or what, but I would say we're zeroed. And now I'll stop this chronograph, save that session, start a new session, and we'll do this every time. That way we don't have to do any math, just kind of go with the flow. So we're dialed in. Now what I'll do is, this is 51.3 grains, and I'm going to hold top left square on the very edge. Actually, I'll hold on the red part, but top left edge. Right there. And that's looking very nice. That's our first group. Let's go back and save this session. Okay. The next group, which is 51.4 grains. This one I'll aim top edge of that square, the bigger square. Natural point of aim. There we go. Oh, I didn't plug in my other chronograph. I guess we'll get to that right now. We put it on, we might as well use it. Hopefully we're good there. Totally forgot about that. Here we go. That's an amazing group. I've seen bigger groups at 50 yards with some ammo through this rifle. That looks to be just under an inch. That's pretty freaking awesome. Now I'll reset this again. All right. We're gonna move over to the next square on the top right, and we're gonna shoot top left edge of the outer square. Well, the end of it seemed to be grouping through one hole, but the first few kind of opened up. This next group, I'll shoot off the right side of that red square. So here we go. Oh, we only got 9 on that one? Huh. That's weird. Pretty sure I shot 10 shots, but I know I loaded 10. So we must have missed one. And I better reset this too before we get too far ahead of ourselves. Top right edge of the right or the red square. Extractor issues again. Yep, that's a problem. Can't have extractor issues, and then now we got a piece of brass jammed in there. Okay. 4 more shots. Hopefully we're back in our group. Last one. Well, we had 3 that kind of strayed from the pack there, but still, this is looking super promising. So I'll reset the chronograph. We'll go into the last group. Last but not least, 51.7 grains. And this one I'll shoot off the top edge of the middle bigger square. That sounded slow. And that one seems like it opened up quite a bit more than the rest. So far the second one, which was 51.4, looks very promising. Maybe I'll do that one more time. We'll load up another 10 of those. So we'll load up another 10 of those and see if the accuracy continues. Because that shot very well. I don't even know the size of the group, but yeah, it seemed like almost every bullet was going through the same hole, other than a couple. So let's give it one more try. I'll shoot the bottom edge below that and we'll go from there. Maybe I'll do a couple more. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Okay, here we are. 51.4 for a second try. Let's see where we end up. So I can shoot right below that last group, the same, well, below the other group with 51.4. See what happens. Not liking this one. Well, it didn't match the top group, that's for sure, but still performed well. I guess that's over an MOA there for sure, with that one that flew way off to the right. Maybe I'll give her one more shot with the standard, not sorted. Oh, I only have 5 left. Now let's shoot him. What the hell? I'll reset the chronograph again, just to keep those batches in order so we don't mix up the data. And we'll shoot 5 more shots. This is unsorted stuff again. And this one, we'll go top left edge of the center, outside square. And hopefully we don't get into our other group there. Here we go. Yeah, so that's already pretty much bigger than our biggest group of 10. So according to the target, I would almost say there is something to gain from weight sorting your ammo. But I'll have to take a look at those numbers in the chronograph and see if there's any reason to do this, because I haven't tried rim thickness yet, but that's coming too. I'm just working on building some tooling for my calipers or dial indicator to measure rim thickness. So once I'm done that, I'll probably weight sort versus rim thickness kind of thing. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and this crazy little science experiment that a lot of people have been recommending for a long time now, weight sorting ammo. And it seems like there's something to be had. And like I said earlier, we'll start rim thickness sorting as well at one point. Just we're not there yet. Bye for now.